Right. For those of you who do not know what this is, it is what's called a compute stick. A compute stick is a computer on a stick. In this case, a Windows 10 Home Edition running on an Intel Atom PC, all crammed in this small device. Compare it to a size of a lighter. Here is, in comparison, the size of the compute stick to a lighter. Now, on this device is a fan. The fan is located right here, right towards the the HDMI connector, which plugs into a projector or your telly. But I found a clever way to use this without needing to plug this into some sort of device through HDMI. Now, for those of you that do not know, this is HDMI 2. HDMI 2 does not deliver or receive power from the TV or projector. It's just an output. Meaning, this device is powered by 5-volt USB. Typically what you would find on a phone. Just as so. Okay, now if you notice, there's USB 3.0. This here, I'm going to take advantage and connect it to my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And I will show you guys exactly how I turn this into a display to run Windows 10 without needing to plug that into a telly or projector. Now here's the finicky part. This device runs off 5 volts, 3 amps. But I could get away with 5 volts, 2.4 amps. As long as your device your battery pack can be powered through USB-C, it will deliver enough output. I'm going to connect my mouse to the computer, making sure I leave the USB 3.0 port available for my Note 9 because it needs the power. So pretty much this is how the setup looks like. And yes, I do not have a keyboard, but right now I don't need it. And the computer will ask, your phone will ask if you want to allow connection, hit allow. And the computer is on. Once it's powered through the battery, it turns on by itself, as you can see. That mouse has power. So, on the Note 9, or any device that has USB Type-C, you need 2 programs. Whether it's a cracked version or not, you need TwoMon and X-Wired Display. X-Wired Display lets you open up the program without needing to type in a program on the computer. It launches by itself. And as you can see, got that working. I use TwoMon as actual main program, and I usually quit out of X-Wired. But sometimes I don't need to do that. But as you can see, everything works just fine. I could still use a hub, plug things in. I could use a touchscreen if I need to. It's a bit boggy, but if I use TwoMon, I could close out of that. It's going to say USB cable is connected. I need to make sure this program is open That's the main reason I use X-Wired, is to launch TubeMon. So once the computer loads TubeMon, I close out of X-Wired, open up TubeMon, and as you can see, now it's connecting. And there's a blue mouse indicating that your phone is now connecting to the PC through TubeMon. TubeMon is a lot faster than X-Wired, and it's not free, but knowing that I don't pay for my programs. But let's not get bogged down with that.